back at it. Got these units going, see, possibly these three here. I have to check the list and see which ones need to be done, but that one doesn't appear to be open. It may be someone still living there. So we'll start with this one. Oh, to make sure. Look how much water. It's a pretty rainy day. Let's see, I may check this one towards the end because there are blinds in the window, and that's a sure sign that someone lives there. Just in case I'm wrong, I'll check that before I leave this area. But let's see. We're gonna start with this one. Oh, yesterday we did the ones across there and got those ready, just over that little mount there. And we moved over to this one. And this is F. Okay. The toilets having to be delivered. That's good. Okay, we have okay, the kitchen sinks are cut. It's time to put in the faucet and sink and whatnot, broke it down. And dishwasher slid back. Has to be drilled down. Okay, also has to be installed. Yeah. So that's ready to go in. So washer box there. Drive's gonna sit across. It's a water heater. I need to get some light, maybe a little more light in here, but okay. This has to be adjusted here. The fluke pipe. And I see the inspection tank. We managed to get that one on already. I'll get that done. I don't know, you can barely see it. I'll get another shot of it with some light on it, either later in this video or on the next one. But yeah, this one is not much work. The one yesterday, I had to put the inspection tank on it and fix the fluke pipe. This one just had to fix the fluke pipe there. Anyway, let's check, let's see what's going on in the bathroom back here. See where this toilet is going. Okay. Let's see. Different crews out here, so, there we go. Okay. Yeah, toilet has to go in, 1 bedroom. Shower trim has to be installed, and yeah, shower head with the shower trim. Oh, here's a note. Sometimes, you know, every shower is made a little different. This type here has a little jog, or a little seam in here that kind of pulls away from the studs pretty far. So anyone installing them has to suffice for that. And as you can see, it pulled it away from the studs. Normally that sits in the wall. So it's in the wall, but because of this jog here, it sits a bit further out. So it should be fine to get the trim on, but so you don't have any headache with the trim at the end. Best to bring it out a little bit from the wall, at least right at the edge, just for future. Okay, got this toilet and done the sink here. Okay, I see the trap is on, so This thing should be near testing soon. Okay, the water's definitely not on. Okay, so with that being said, it's time to get going. So I'll catch up with you on the next video. Shalom. AAC out.